Welcome to the Next Level Musician course. So cool. The plan is I'm going to try and build a map for you of how music works, and I'm going to try and do this in very simple, easy steps. It's kind of a week by week process. But it won't kind of put any major pressure on you, but just follow along week by week. And if you're learning on YouTube, just follow along with the videos. If you're learning as part of my school in the WhatsApp group, each week what I'll ask you to do at the end of each video is to upload your progress to the group, and then I can have a quick check on it and we can chat about it in class. Cool. So the idea really is that what I want you to imagine is, let's say, for example, learning songs, it's a little bit like we're in a city and we find this cool kind of area of a city, we kind of find this cool building and we explore that building, whatever is going on in there, and that's a song. And then maybe on another day we take the subway and we go to another building and we explore that. And we're a little bit like a tourist, I suppose. We're just kind of wandering around the city, exploring areas. But the advantage of that is that we get to explore those areas straight away. But after a while, after you've done 20 songs or maybe 30 songs or whatever the amount of songs is that you've done, you get to a stage where you'll start to see some of the patterns. You'll start to see some things repeating. So what I want to do is, to go along with our city analogy, I want to build a map for you where you can kind of essentially, take a helicopter and go right up over the city, and you can start to see how certain areas connect to other areas and how certain areas are very similar to other areas. And that will hopefully over time build a sort of an idea, a sort of a plan for you. So as opposed to you being a tourist in the city, you're now living in the city. You're a person who uses the bus system. You're able to float around. You're able to move between the different areas of music very quickly. And as you get more and more expert, to continue with my analogy, I really want you to get to the point of being almost like Spider-Man. I want you to be able to just zoom in and just grab a web and just head over to a new area of the city really quickly. So that's the idea. So cool. I'll see you in the next lesson, and we'll start the process.